Carcraft Dreamrod is one of the most significant custom show cars of the early 1960s, representing a turning point in American hot rod and custom design. Its origins trace back to 1961, when industrial designers Bob Hubbock and Chuck Pelly created a radical concept for Carcraft magazine. Their idea responded to a growing problem. Traditional pre-war donor bodies were becoming scarce. Instead of relying on classic Model T or Deuce bodies, they proposed building a hot rod from late model production car panels. The concept was called the Dream Roadster and was published in the October 1961 issue of Carcraft. In 1963, Bob Larrivee Sr., head of Promotions Incorporated and a major figure in the American indoor car show scene, decided to turn the concept into a real show car. With the support of Carcraft, Larrivee commissioned legendary customizer Bill Cushenbery, already famous for cars such as El Matador and the Silhouette. Cushenbery followed the published designs closely but made critical three-dimensional refinements during construction. The Dreamrod was built on a rare 1952 Jowett Jupiter chassis, featuring a round-tube ladder frame. Cushenbery retained the Jowett's torsion bar rear suspension, but replaced the front suspension with a Volkswagen Beetle beam axle. Power came from a Ford 289 cubic-inch V8, paired with a Borgward T10 transmission. Ford reportedly supplied a pre-production K-Code engine rated at 271 horsepower. The body combined panels from multiple production cars, front fenders and doors from a 1960 Pontiac, rear quarter sections from a 1960 Chevrolet Corvair, a roof and windshield from a 1953 Studebaker Starliner, and a rear window sourced from a Borgward Isabella sedan, installed upside down. The car featured pronounced asymmetry, offset grille openings, sculpted coves, and open wheel arches. The interior included a modified 1958 Mercury dashboard, Triumph TR3 seats, and custom fabricated elements throughout. Finished in late 1963, the Dreamrod wore a desert sand pearl base with candy gold highlights and debuted on the show circuit to immediate acclaim. Its popularity led to scale model kits by AMT and later MPC. Cushenbery also installed an advanced electric control system operated by a remote black box, capable of opening panels wirelessly. By 1966, changing tastes led Larrivee to commission a redesign. Under the direction of Harry Bentley Bradley, the car was transformed into the Tiger Shark. The revision included enclosed fenders, a stretched rear, vinyl-clad roof, hood scoop, closed roof scoops, and modern wheels. Despite the extensive changes, the Tiger Shark failed to achieve the original's success. In 2005, noted custom car restorer Mark Moriarty acquired the remains of the Tiger Shark and undertook a meticulous restoration to the original Dreamrod configuration. After 3 years of work, the fully restored Dreamrod reappeared publicly in January 2009, preserving one of the most influential custom cars ever built. Today, the Carcraft Dreamrod stands as a landmark example of forward-thinking design, craftsmanship, and the experimental spirit that defined the golden age of custom show cars.